Well, hello, my students. Time got a little bit away from me, so you're probably getting ready for bed. Your parents are singing you a little night-night song. Got your little happy Kermit the Frog pajamas on. But I wanted to do this a couple hours ago, but I kind of lost track of time. Anyways, this is the inequalities. You will have one or two of these on the test or quiz, whatever you want to call it, for Friday. Now, one of them you probably have to factor, one of them you probably won't. So this one, I already did the first two because I didn't think I'd have enough time for one video. So I factored this up. I did x plus 1 to 0 is negative 1. It's positive to the right, negative to the left. X minus 1, 1 makes a 0, positive right. So it's positive, positive, because negative and positive is negative. Two negatives is positive. So the answer would be less than or equal to negative 1, because I want the positives greater than or equal to 0, or greater than 1. This one, same thing, although there's three terms. So there we go. Now this one, you can't factor. By the way, I did skip this one. The answer is right there. So just freeze it, and there you go. There's the answer. So this one, we actually got to use the quadratic formula. It's not factorable. So it'd be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So it's negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now the square root of 4 would be 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. That'd be negative a half. So what you would do is actually use this, use a calculator, approximate it, and then use those for the numbers of 0. So that one, I'm just going to sort of leave that alone and let you, hopefully you figure it out. If not, I can do it in class tomorrow with your calculator on the iPad. But you would just approximate. Negative 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. What is that? That would be this number and this number. And then you'd go negative 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now this one and this one really shouldn't be any different. Actually, this and this are almost the same problem. Is it? Wow, it is almost the same problem. I just switched signs. But here we go. This has 1, 2, 3, holy cow, 4. So we need 5 of these. Mercy, 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 mercy. Wear me out. So, again, if you're confused about this, be glad to do it in class tomorrow. But just approximate. So instead of an integer, you're going to have a decimal, but you still find everything the same way. Remember, if that's a root, then x minus that is a factor. So exact same thing. But anyways, here we go. X plus 1. So x plus 1, negative 1 is what you put in to get 0, to positive to the right, negative to left. Then we have x plus 5. So that would be negative 5. So again, 0, negative this way, plus, 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 plus this way. Then we have x minus 2, so that would be 2. Should have made these things bigger, sorry. That'd be a 0 to the right, plus. Now, all the ones on this sheet happen to be this way. On the test, I might throw you a little curve. But this would be 5, x minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So that's your 0, plus, 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 minus, 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 minus. So I'd have 5. I would have 2. I would have negative 1. And we would have negative 5. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it's all positive, so it's positive. Now this isn't always true. It just happens to be for the examples that we go positive, negative, positive, negative. Ooh, my eye just sort of flashed. Ooh-hoo! So that'd be plus, and I want all the ones greater than 0, so it'd be greater than 5. Or between negative 1 and 2, or less than negative 5. Holy cheese. Maybe on a test I'll give you one with 20 of those. Wow! No, I won't. I'm just joking. Just joking. And then the last one. Oh, wow, I'm doing this horribly now. How exciting. So x, we start, there's 0 in the middle. That's a 0. Plus, 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 plus. Minus, 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 minus. Then x plus 3, that would be negative 3. Really, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but isn't this easy? Then x minus 4, so 4 you put in to get 0. And then put in numbers bigger than 4, it's positive. 10 minus 4 is positive. And then to the left you get negative. So this one, the last one, you'd have negative 3, 0, 4. Doop, doop. And then 4. And then positive, positive, positive. So on the test, one of these will be like 4 minus x, so it's the reverse. So be careful. I will trick you. I will trick you like it's something you trick. Now I want positive, so it'll be bigger than 4. Or between 0 and negative 3. Hoo-hoo. So those two. So I hope you're having a great day. I know you've already cleaned your house and hugged a parent. Good, good, good. Bye-bye.